This is HotTrace on the simple compare section. You load 2 files into it that are captured. Use codecs to help capture the data. You can see there's been 4 events here, and you select 2 files for comparison. One is during the operation, normal operation of the device. In this case, I'm using a Crow panel, and an RM3100 is being scanned. And then you can look at the 2 traces and hit play. And then on the side here, I have the data listed, so it's running. And then it goes through it, and if there's an error, it'll let you know on the side. And these attributes can be selected as well, which is nice. You can see it coming up. There's an error coming up, and there it is. It captured it. The mag went invalid, and in fact that's what I'm working on, trying to get resolved, and I have figured the problem out using this tool. Now there's a more advanced section on here, and I'll take you over to there. You can see all the states here, very detailed. Going down to a larger scope, and these have selected fields that you can pin and bring up here and take a look at them. Each data point is actual. It's not any filled in data or dreamed up data. It's actual data that's captured. And there's a lot more to the tool than just that as well. Down here you can see the different parsed observations, original fields. Brings out an enormous amount of data capture to make it easier for troubleshooting. Take a look at it. I put it up on the GitHub. I use some synthetic data on the GitHub so that you don't have to supply the 2 files. But that data is a lot more limited than this one is here. This has a lot more fields that I set up, so you can take a closer look at just how far you can go with it. Hope you like it.